excited.
Yeah.
Here's 8.
Great stuff. And so we made it to Surfside and we're about to go in the pool. So yeah, I'll take a couple videos of that, and yeah. Also guys, comment down below if you want a house tour.
Oh, me?
Dang it. Hey guys, we just finished playing with the pool. Now we're gonna go down to the beach and check it out. We're here at the beach. It's like empty.
When your answering to God, you can call me killer. As you look into my eyes, nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away.
I legit just walked out here and just found a shark tooth just laying. Yeah, and guys, I'm sorry if I couldn't do the dares because one, I didn't know we were going to the beach, and two, most of them were soccer, and we don't have a soccer goal. We just have a pool. And yeah, so yeah.
Floor's lava! Be careful. Floor's lava!
Thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.